Octal multiplication. Octal means base 8 number system. Means the digits are from 0 to 7 in octal number system. Right? So here we have to perform this octal multiplication. 72 base 8 into 12 base 8. So 72 into 12. 2 into 2 means 4. 4 is in octal number system. So 4. 2 sevens are 14. 14 is not octal number. 0 to 7 are only octal number. So 2 into 7 means 14. 14 octal number kaadu. So we have to convert 14 into octal number system. So we have to convert 14 into octal number system. Means we have to divide 14 with 8. 8 ones are 8. And the remainder is 6. Okay. So 6 is sum and 1 is carry. So 6 here with a carry, 1 here. Okay. Now perform multiplication with 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 7 is 7. So 4 here. 6 plus 2 is 8. Again 8 is not an octal number. So we have to convert 8 into octal number by dividing with 8. So 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 0. So 0 is sum and 1 is carry. 0 is sum and 1 is carry. 7 plus 1 plus 1, 9. 9 is not an octal number. It's a decimal number. So you have to convert this decimal line into octal by dividing by 8. 8 ones 8. Remainder is 1. So 1 is sum and here 1 is this carry. So 1, 1. So 1 we have to write here. So this is the answer. So 72 into 12 equal to 1104 base 8. Now let us move on to second example. 357 base 8 into 23 base 8. Okay. 3 sevens are 21. 21 is not an octal number. It is a decimal number. So we have to convert this decimal into octal. So 21 by 8. 8 twos are 16. So the remainder is 5. So 5 is sum and 2 is carry. So 5 here and 2 here. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 is not an octal number. It's a decimal number. So we have to convert this decimal into octal by dividing by 8. So 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 1. So 1 is sum and 2 here is carry. So 1 here and again 2 here. Right? And now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Again 11 is not octal number. It's a decimal number. So convert this decimal into octal by dividing by 8. So 8 ones 8. Remainder is 3. So 3 is sum and 1 is carry. So 3 1. Now multiply with 2. 2 sevens are 14. 14 is not a octal number. It's a decimal number. So we need to convert 14 into octal by dividing with 8. And the trick is there. So from 14 subtract 8. Okay. The value is 6. How many times I have subtracted 8? Only one time. So put 1 here. So this is the answer. Okay. So if we convert 14 into octal, the answer must be 16. So 8 ones are 8 with remainder 6. So this is sum and this is carry. That's what I have written here. Okay. So 6 is sum with carry 1. And now 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Again 11 is not a octal number. It's a decimal number. So convert 11 into octal. We get 1 3. 3 is sum, and 1 is carry. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 is a octal number. So add now. 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is not an octal number now. Okay, so convert 8 into octal number. So you have to divide it by 8. So simply subtract 8 from 8, you will get 0. How many times you have subtracted? Only one time. So this is the answer. 1 0. This is the final answer. Okay, and this problem is left as a homework for you.